Hello and welcome to my channel. I am making homemade vegetable samosa today. Samosa is a fried spicy snack that is filled with potatoes, green peas and herbs. It is very crispy, flaky and spicy that makes a delicious snack. Make the dough in a large mixing bowl. Mix flour and salt. Add the oil and then start mixing with whisk or your fingers until the oil is incorporated. Then we need to add water in small portions and mix to form a stiff dough. The dough shouldn't be soft. Massage the dough for a few minutes, cover and let rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Prepare samosa filling. Cook potatoes with half a cup water. Heat oil in a large saucepan, add cumin seeds, coriander ground, chili powder, turmeric, and gram masala. Cook for 30 to 60 seconds to release the flavors. Add chopped onion, crushed garlic, ginger paste, and cook for 1 minute. Add chopped boiled potatoes, green peas, and salt. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently. At the end, add chopped coriander leaves, stir well, and set aside to cool down. The resting knead the dough for 1 minute, then divide it into 6 to 7 equal parts. Shape each piece into a ball. Start working with one ball at a time. Keep the remaining balls covered all the time. Roll out each ball into an oval about 15 centimeter long and 10 centimeter wide. Then cut it in half. Coat the edges of each piece with water. Pick the two corners of the semicircle and bring them together to form a cone. With your fingers, press down on the seam to stick it. Fill the samosa with the potato filling around 1 to 2 tablespoons and brush the edges with water. Then pinch the edges and seal the samosa. Repeat same process with the remaining dough and filling. Place filled samosa in a large plate and cover with the kitchen towel while preparing the rest. In a small saucepan, heat oil and fry the samosa in hot oil 3 to 4 pieces at a time. Fry each samosa for 4 minutes until golden and crisp. Place them on paper towel before serving and serve with your favorite sauce. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to support my channel with your likes and comments. And if you like to watch more videos, don't forget to subscribe.